Having a co-borrower on the loan with you can be a tremendous benefit. Counting this person's income can help you buy more house, but there are some restrictions and requirements that co-borrowers will need to meet. That means there's good and bad when it comes to co-borrowers. Just as a co-borrower's income can help, this person's credit and debt profile can also harm your loan approval chances. You may be separate people, but lenders will look at your loan application as a single entity.
No shit, that's interesting.
Your co-borrower's situation can also impact what kind of interest rates you get quoted. Lenders will typically quote a rate based on the lowest of the borrower's credit scores. So if you have excellent credit, but your co-borrower only has pizza box scores, you're often stuck with a pizza box rate quote. Don't forget, this person will legally and financially be obligated on the loan. They'll also typically need to occupy the home with you as their primary residence. This is your warning, tread lightly.
Aye, Captain.
Lenders may also have limits on how many borrowers can be on a single loan. Each lender has its own criteria, so make sure to ask when doing your due diligence. Moving on, let's talk about purchasing with a non-veteran spouse, the most common co-borrower on VA loans. Your spouse will also need to meet the lender's credit score requirement. In addition, lenders will include your spouse's monthly debts and income when calculating your DTI ratio. They'll also take into account any derogatory credit, collections, foreclosures, bankruptcies, or liens. That means a spouse's recent foreclosure or bankruptcy could mean you need to wait to pursue a VA loan.
That would be a bummer.
How about purchasing with another veteran? Another veteran who has a VA loan entitlement can be a co-borrower, as long as this person will live in the home with you as his or her primary residence. They'll face the same credit and financial scrutiny as a spouse. VA approval is required for this type of setup, unless the veteran happens to be your spouse. You can choose to use your entitlement solely in cases like this or opt for a dual entitlement scenario, with each eligible borrower utilizing a portion of their VA loan entitlement. It's usually best to talk with the VA lender in more detail about how to proceed in cases like this.
Brenda?
Non-spouse, non-veteran purchases. I know, stick with me here. What if your co-borrower isn't a spouse or another veteran with VA loan entitlement? These situations can present more of a financial challenge. These are known as joint loans, and not all VA lenders make them. Remember, each situation is unique to your story, but that doesn't mean there isn't a solution. So speak with the lender to talk about yours so you know where you stand.
Well, I'm feeling good.
The last topic I want to cover is common law marriage. You may be able to count your common law spouse's income on a VA home loan. State laws vary regarding common law marriage, so talk with the lender for more details. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.